And here we go, damn!
What's up everyone, my name's Jesse and welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm finna get my hands dirty with some maintenance on my Series 3 XJ6. We finna be swapping out the differential fluid to ensure that this classic keeps cruising down smoothly. So let's get to it.
To start, lift the rear of the vehicle from underneath the center support cage and secure it with jack stands. First off, let's remove the fill plug. I'm going to remove the cage for better visibility to show you guys, but you don't have to do this. Removing the plug can be a bit tricky, but with a slim long ratchet, a 9/16 12-point socket with a half adapter, you can wiggle it into place through the suspension cage. Now onto the drain plug. Carefully loosen and remove it, allowing the old fluid to drain out completely.
And here we go, damn!
While the fluid is draining, take a moment to check the drain plug for any damage or wear. If needed, swap it out with a new one. And a quick heads up you guys, differential fluid smells hella bad. You might want to throw away your shirt after this job. Time to refill. Grab some 7590 GL5 synthetic gear oil and pump it into the differential until it starts leaking out of the fill hole. About 2 quarts should be enough. Once you got it filled up, snug the fill plug back into place, nice and tight. And there you have it you guys, with the differential fluid change, your Jaguar Series 3 XJ6 is geared up for smooth sailing. Remember to make this a routine every 30,000 miles to keep that drivetrain in top shape.
Alright you guys, if y'all found this video helpful, remember to hit that thumbs up button. Thanks for watching and I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.